Right, this is for Big Brian. Look, he's wanted to take your record, Brian. Go on, get in there!
Show some American muscle.
Go on!
I know I'm weak.
Go on!
Okay, well split.
Right, if I can't find me food in the morning,
Oh no, I've been trying forever. It's fucking shattered down the side.
Right, can I try it then?
Yeah, I guess those two since I weakened it up for you.
Right, yeah, Brian's weak.
Come on. And ladies and gentlemen, it's Scotland versus America.
Stuart tosses the cable.
And Stuart McBell is turned on the cable.
He's scientific.
There we go. Don't break the wrist.
He's...
Oh,
Brian.
I knew that. You thought I was setting you up?
Right, come on, Ken, let's see.
oh, fuck me, that's heavy.
Go on, get in there!
Get in there!
Yeah, I think we need to sort that. It does sound like it's breaking, doesn't
The
it?
other night, I had a punch bag like this in my arm.
Too much wet.
Eating the other punch bag like this. Chemical release in my brain. You noticed that sleep drug, which I believe this sleep aid tablets is
It helps secrete.
the same as what your brain.
Yeah, the serotonin that puts you to sleep.
Serotonin, is it?
Yeah, it's the serotonin they'll release it. It's like basically, I mean, they don't even sell melatonin over here anymore because junkies were taking it and trying to shoot it up. You know, the liquid form that's in the fast release. They're fucking breaking them up and trying to shoot it up.
Yeah, right.
Well, you might as well just turn around and fucking crack open a thiamine vitamin and fucking bounce off the walls then.
They're fucking nuts, them druggies, aren't they? Once they're fucked. Once they're.
Oh, that hurt.
You put another one on. You stay out late, are you? I'm like. See, actually, see that? It looks like a crocodile's leg or something coming over there. With fun.
Is that a saw blade
toes
over there or is it over here?
Oh, it's that. It was down. It was there. What you after?
It's here,
Saw
bro.
blade? Yeah, it should be right there.
Oh, you got.
Oh, it's sitting over there, I think.
What's that? Oh, that's it. Oh gosh. That looks like a quite a quality one. Mine was about. I think mine's a Highlander one.
Man. Looks like I'm the first person up. This is where we're camping. Just next to the loch. My tent. Ken's tent. Brian's tent. And Scott's tent. And we've got a Australian guy camping down there, and we met this young girl and boy who's camping just over here. They were going to continue on walking, but we told them the Boffey, which is about 2 miles that way, so we asked them to come and join us. She was good, I can't remember the girl's name, sorry, but she was going to pitch here, but the wind would have burnt her tent with the sparks from the fire, so that's why they're over here. But I am off to get some water and going for the toilet. Take my lights with me. So here we go. This is my water source for today. This little stream. So you just put it through your soya and then it should be good enough to drink. Right, so the water inside the little bag is the water from the stream. Right, and then my bottle. And then all you do is you just let it filter through. So you can let it drip like that if you want. But you can also squeeze it. Right, like so. Look. But yeah, I'd just like to let it drip. Yeah, time to get the fire going. Oh man.
Hello.
Was that a tight fit, Scott?
Very tight.
Yeah. There's no way I'd get in there, would there?
Yeah, it's a load of
Some
3-in-1s. Might be cappuccino ones.
A couple of smoked
Should
sausages.
give me caffeine, right?
Yeah. But I am an R&B fan.
Well, I see how your style is. So how the fuck did you get some? What's friend of yours is a photographer to get you in that pose, in that picture?
Oh, I did it myself. I'm taking the piss. It's like I'm turning my back on society.
You're trying to look sexy, like, hey lady.
I should have gone in. Fuck
I know. I had to make fun of you when I saw. I was like, if this guy's got personality like that, I can't wait to see who it is. But it's just funny. You just gotta look at a picture like, is a person like this or something like that?
Do you know what? I realised people either love me or hate me.
Oh, I know. I get the same
And
thing.
don't like
mine, mate.
Yeah, once
Yeah.
they hate me, I just think, you know what? Fuck off.
Were you using that water?
No, that's for you.
Yeah, it'd be great that.
Hey!
There we go.
There's the ferry. Or what is it you call it? Is the ferry
It's
on
called the water bus.
the water boat?
Nice little wake kicking up.
Breakfast breakfast this morning is the Scottish sliced. I started with 5, but I had to throw 3 away. One's in the fire.
Something. What are you doing?
You alright, Biggin?
What are you doing?
Are you alright?
Alright, mate.
How you doing? Are you fake Alaska, Biggin? Are you a Ouija? Aye.
Fucking Nessie.
Aye.
I fucking Nessie.
Did you see Nessie?
I fucking shagged Nessie.
That's what you're doing in your tent last night, Ken.
Shagging fucking Nessie. Are we lass?
Right, well, Ken's just entertaining us with his humour here.
I can't do it no more.
He can't do it anymore. I just can't do it, Captain. So I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. 2 bits of bacon.
Do you want a roll, mate? Cheesy roll.
Oh yeah.
Cheesy roll.
Oh, cheesy roll.
We've got some sauce as well if you want some.
Oh, sauce. Yeah.
Don't get too cheeky and too saucy.
Ready?
Oh, there.
I can toast it.
Oh, can you toast it? Yeah.
Toast it.
Oh my god, man.
I'm guessing Mark's not coming, is he?
No, he'll be here. He said he's coming.
If you had a mate with a frying pan, you know, might help.
Do you want a frying pan, Ken? I'm using it as a plate.
Pardon? You want sauce, yeah? That's healthier for you.
Mmm.
Fucking hungry.
Look at that. Cheese roll. Scottish sliced.
About another 30 seconds, you're good. Thank God that roll.
Oh.
Across the bog, but I didn't say fucking fall in it.
Is your missus from here then?
Yeah, she's from Oban.
Fuck off.
Dude, you saw the picture he took of me fucking naked sunbathing. He's like, can I take a picture? I'm like, I can't fucking tell you no.
This is going on YouTube, mate. I've seen a picture of me with a Mozzie net on down in Devon. I got this stick going across underneath my nose like a moustache because they kept biting on my top lip.
Call him Ken and his love chair here. Woo! Swinging and LOMOND, look. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah!
I'm into Scottish swinging, I can tell.
Aye.
Nobody wee lasses on here for some swinging, sonny. Go and land in the tent. Yeah, swing your ass right on there like, oh!
I reckon that was it, yeah. Snicker time, guys. He's swinging, Brian. Oh my God, he's got rabies.
I've been caught by that rabbit haggis.
Poisonous, it's got green algae in it. That's what happens to
Did you get that haggis last night, Ken? There we go, swinging at LOMOND. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Snap! Oh!
Oi!
Whoa!
I'll come out of it, hold on.
I need out. Oi!
We're all waiting for this to snap, aren't we? Snap! King of the Swingers.
Hang on, when you.
Right, this is us on our way to LOCH Bothy. This is the trail. We've got Brian in front here, racing away. We've got Scott at the back here. And Ken, he's staying because he's camping for a week, so he says he's fierce. So right, what are you doing in my house? Here we go, that's the LOCH Bothy. Apparently I was told it was done up, but the looks of it they've just added a new kind of wooded area. See what a platform. But that's it from the outside. And there's another one, an old one over there.
I didn't expect it to be like this.
The visitor's book. Let's see who's been. Let's see who the last person was. 29th, that was last night, wasn't it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody got a pen?
There's got to be one up there somewhere on the ledge.
Yeah, there is. Can you hold that camera for us, Scott? Just there.
Yeah. If there's no pens, then I'm bringing a pack of pens up here.
This is the 30th.
Yeah.
Right. Put my name in the book.
Put Chad Hogan in there too, I guess.
Chad Hogan? How do you spell that, Brian?
Chad and then H-O.
How do you spell Chad?
C-H.
How would you spell Chad?
A-D.
C-H-A-D.
C-H-A-D,
A-D.
right. Chad.
Hogan.
So it's just H-O.
G-A-N.
Is it double G?
No, a single.
Right. There we go. Chad Hogan, Scottish Wanderer, YouTube, and Scott just walking past, going to the shops. There we go, we're going to the shop. With a frying pan. My God, it stinks in here, doesn't it?
It's not too bad.
That's not taking that away. Right, so that's us leaving the bothy. The bothy's pretty clean.
Left the fire. We didn't have anything.
We've
so left the fire.
started the fire, so there will be somebody coming tonight, Saturday night. It's like the height of the people will be in here tonight sleeping, won't they? Ken did say he was going to pop down later, so if there's any girls coming, Ken says he'll come and join you.
I'm gonna do the shoreliner straight out.
It's a love shack.
So that's us leaving the bothy. Left the fire on. It's this way, Brian. See, when you come into like a pine woodland like this, does it not just feel like death, doesn't it?
It does. It feels like.
They all look dead, don't they?
Kind of seems like despair.
It's like a petrified forest.
But
Yeah.
it's like a great place for a battle. This is like where you would want to go to film scenes.
Like Game of Thrones or something. Or what's the other one called?
That's venereal diseases, right?
Mate, when I was camping as a kid, I knocked over a little colour gas bottle with a kettle on it, and it scalded me right out like that. And I had a blister like that there. The doctor was like, I was like, I was only about 7. I remember it now. The doctor was like,
You remember when you were a kid and you used to get sleepies in your eye and the eye used to crust over and you couldn't get up, you're crying, "Ah, my eye!"
yeah,
Ken, see your pot's all dirty.
yeah. Fucking,
I'm going to clean it.
it's a fucking wad camping pot, mate. I'm telling you.
Are you aware,
I'm
Campfire?
telling you, fucking hell, man, sonny. Alright.
Alright, big you.
I didn't understand fucking stand these fucking English cunts. I'm telling you now.
I know, how dare they?
It'd be funny with Willie up here. Fucking English bastards.
How dare they? What have we got?
That log.
Most people that say all this shit about English people ain't even fucking been to England. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's a stereotypical thing to jump on a bandwagon, isn't it?
Oh look, I got some that remind you of home. A sloppy Joe.
There you go. I'll take a sloppy Joe.
You know what a sloppy Joe is?
Sloppy Joe's fucking dynamite, dude. Especially if you put beans and shit. Oh, dude, they're all living inside this log. They're all trying to run now.
Unlucky.
Burn, burn, burn.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. I'm trying to help you out here. They're all gonna die, man. Sadly.
Right, do you know what I've just noticed, right? What is with the look, no socks, no socks,
We're trying to get some energy.
no socks. Do I need to join in here?
Dude, so it's actually quite nice. Dude, do you know what's weird? See that? I can't get that fucking to stop growing, like the skin. It's like from playing football for so many years. It's like I gotta cut that out, and then it comes back crustaceous.
American football or soccer?
Yeah.
Soccer football. Yeah, I think they were going up to look at our shit, man. You know that? It was on the rock, and as soon as they saw us, they were like, "Oh!"
Yeah, they were like, oh shit, reverse. Wait for another 10
It
minutes.
does taste like a fucking sloppy Joe, dude.
Yeah.
See that pot, Ken? You just need to bin it. It's dirty.
I know you're obsessive. Let you clean it.
I just need to bin it. Look at it. Yuck. There's no spam in there.
Trying to make it look like it's going to the camera like you're eating.
It's nice,
sunlight,
they don't get old, they're just... They're not,
I'm trying to use it to where the battery drains first. Yeah, I drained the battery before I brought it out the first time. I think right there in that tripod. That rock wall, I turned around and put the fucking bag there and fucking fell asleep in the field on like fucking pure green grass. It was like, I was fucking out.
Oh, that was a tough bit though, wasn't it?
That is.
See the lock part, Ken?
It's because you're not
I
prepared.
thought
for
as soon as Mum was
You're
coming
like,
for
seeing all this,
Australia,
you're
so I
like,
thought
this doesn't work out. But then
I'm going to fake off for a week
And then
and
that last little
do the lock
staircase,
part. And I
that
thought I
last
could meet up with
staircase
yous here,
with the fence
but
line, that's
she never
pain in the
came,
ass.
so
Because you're like going up, you're like, your knees already fucking hurting. Then once you get there and you start going to
I don't reckon I
Falls,
could do 90 miles.
and then it goes,
Yeah,
that's by what I understand.
My mate
Don't do night here.
quarters of the
Didn't mean walking up the hill, but coming back down, have a
No.
sip.
I'd rather run down a hill.
He said it's brilliant. He said you get up in the morning, you have your breakfast, you start walking, then you stop and have a drink, and then just walk, and then you stop and have some lunch, and then you walk, and you stop and have a drink. Then about 4 o'clock, he said pretty much had enough. He said. And then you'll go and stay in like a hostel for about £6, he said. But there's about 30 people in the same room. He said,
18 for those ones
but you'll
right
get,
there, the ones that are on the way.
You'll get a meal on the night as well. He said then in the morning just get up and walk again. He said there's some people that walk from like 7 in the morning until 7 at
Yeah,
night.
there is.
He said, but he said I didn't do that, and he done what? He must have done about 350 miles in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever he was got. He was gone a while, I don't know. It might have been a month. I don't
There's
know.
guys that have completed the West Island Way in under 24 hours if it's a running. They did the run in
That's
advance.
Teresa.
You heard of the Camino in France?
No, I haven't heard of that one.
Camino of, what's it called? Something Camino.
I've seen
500
that before.
miles.
What did they smoke
I was
sausage?
going to do it with
That's
him.
Spanish Teresa.
I'm going to do it with
You
him.
what about?
Just to try it, something.
Yeah.
I don't mind a bit of walking, but I quite
better
enjoy
cook.
chilling. And
It softens it, yeah.
I'd never had this till Wally brought it once. See Wally Brown. Yeah.
Good.
It's good. It's only like fucking £3 for that big giant thing.
No, I mean like this. I've had the actual packet. That was only £2 for that one.
It's good though, but it's high in fat though. Look at all the marbling in that.
Like, oh, that's delicious.
But chorizo needs to be.
It's like pepperami.
Yeah.
Pepperami.
Yeah, it's got garlic and paprika in there. It's that's a Spanish.
it's quite a high energy
That's a
thing.
Spanish kind of byproduct of all the fucking pork waste.
Well, yeah, no sausages.
That's awesome. That is good.
You've always got to get your hands into things, haven't you, Brian?
I know how to
You can't just leave it.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah,
That just so annoys you, doesn't it?
does.
You're like,
I can't read small.
look, he's got to get into it, hasn't he? You just can't leave things. He's got to like, ugh.
And then he just helps himself.
You want some, kid?
Cook it to taste, Tony.
I'm going to try a bit when
Wow.
it's cooked.
That's amazing. It's got like a sort of
It's
pizza
a pasta.
taste.
It doesn't have to be cooked.
It's like
It
pepperoni
doesn't have
pizza.
to be, but it's better when it's cooked. Because all the oil heat up and the flavour starts to come out. That's why, like, if you cook with
I've got a nice spice kick to the end on the tail.
if you cook with seeds and nuts, you want to roast them.
I've tried things this type I've never tried before, like what?
You just reminded me of something. I need to try and make some pesto, some root pesto from start.